Alright, Steve's got a big fish on right now. He's catching it. It's a big one. It's a big one. I don't know if we're going to get to see it. It's a big fish. Here it comes. Getting closer. Oh, oh, oh. He's going on this way on the boat. Now he's on the back of the boat this side. Trying to get a look at the fish here. Haven't seen it yet. Oh, now he's going back to this side. Okay. Still haven't seen what it is. Could be a shark, could be a tarpon, thinking a sawfish, a snook, a red. Trying to figure out what it is. Here it comes. It's a stingray. Steven caught a stingray. Yeah, let's bring him in, at least get it on video.
Put him on the outside of the boat there, because all he's going to do is burn all his fish up.
There's stingray. Let's see. There he is right there. Steve caught a stingray. Hello, baby. Hello, baby.